Mindfulness is awareness that arises through paying attention on purpose in the present moment and non-judgmentally. So our minds were devised to create judgments because that's what keeps us safe. Oh, I should be afraid of jumping into the street. That's a legitimate fear and it keeps me from jumping into the street and being hit by a car, right? But those judgments about reality out there really become our whole way of being in the world. And they are based on fears, and you don't want to do that. So being mindful is being able to pull yourself into the present moment and release those fears and prejudices so that you can experience just being here now, being mindful, and being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and actions.